Hi everyone. Okay, so I wanted to share with you my Spellbinders. I have two kits this month, the Merry Everything Christmas kit and my regular monthly kit. But I wanted to film this one first because this one is jam-packed. Now this was $75. I'm hoping it's worth it. I'm just going to give you my honest review on it because I had, with Spellbinders, when you join their clubs or when you buy anything from them, you get points, and they give you kind of like free dollars. So I had enough points in my account that I didn't pay the $75 for this kit. That seems to that it shows that the price is blah. It's late at night, you guys. So I'm like trying to figure out. Hold on, I got a cough. Sorry, I'm having throat problems, so bear with me. Okay, I go for surgery in a couple weeks, so let's see. I am so excited about this. I thought, okay, I really want to do Christmas cards this year. I really want to try my hand at it. Well, I know I'm a card maker, and I was a card maker before I became obsessed with Project Life. So, so that's one of the things. Okay, so we get 25 cards in envelopes. So 25 of them. That's cool. I'm not sure if I know 25 people. But, okay, there's tags. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty these tags are. Oh, here's some twine. Some pretty red and white twine. I'm going to open them because I want to put it into a container that I have that I want to keep the whole kit together because I want to work with the kit. I don't want to put it with the rest of my Christmas stuff. I want to work with it. So if it's in my face, then I have a better chance of doing stuff, fun stuff with it. I love these tags. So I've been watching on Instagram people's projects, and they've been really, really pretty. And so, and I guess now I know what they're talking about, the tags. How many tags do you get? You get, let's see, tags. It doesn't say how many you get, but let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6. You do the math. What is that? 48. So yeah, then you get that, and then yeah, okay. There's been so many YouTube videos of people putting projects together with this, cards together with this kit. And I've just been amazed at how awesome it has been. These are little envelopes. These inspire me to do little envelopes because I have that die. That's Kit Kat. So let me pull it up towards you guys. So, oh, look at the little peppermints and the little sentiment. Oh, I love that. And they're like chipboard stickers, so they got some oomph to them. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And then they give you some foam squares, so double the amount that you get with your regular monthly kit. Some adhesive. Look how pretty these gems are. And you get every single size. Red, silver, and green. 4 different sizes. That's awesome. See how pretty. Ooh, look how pretty they are. So sparkly. So sparkly. Rudolph's nose is in here, right? So you get that. 75 bucks. I better get a lot, you know, so that's why I'm hoping that it doesn't end really quickly because, yeah, I hope it, you know, because I hate spending money on stuff when I don't get a lot. I don't like that at all. So, but everyone was doing the unboxings and it looked like you get a lot. So I'm counting on that. Because, yeah, that's nothing to, you know, to take for granted. It's a lot of money. Oh, it's sweet. These are stickers that are like epoxy stickers. So, there's that. They have some glittery, oh, look at how pretty, oh, look how pretty that is. The alphabet. Do you have numbers? Ooh, yep, numbers. Woohoo! Total numbers. And I like the size of them, too. And I like the font of this. This is so pretty. So that's that one. Oh, and you get stickers. So you get some stickers. Let's see. Oh wow, it's a big old bow. Let me pull that off so that way you can see it. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. That's so cute. This is Dear Santa. Oh, how cute. And it's got a letter. Dear Santa, define naughty. How cute is that? That's one of them. Oh, so you get sentiments for the other one. So, oh, how pretty. It's the gold. The gold. It's a pretty gold too. Happy Holidays. I don't like Happy Holidays. I don't like that one. I don't like that saying. It's Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hate Happy Holidays. I don't know. Especially at Christmas time. It's Merry Christmas. So it's my pet peeve. Sorry guys, it's my pet peeve. But, you know, if you don't believe in something, it's okay. You know, I don't believe in a lot of things, but when people say something to me, I'm like, thank you. Because they believe it, and that's okay. You know, and I'm like, why do people have to try and change other people? I don't get that. So that's why I'm like, it's Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate, just say thank you, and that's it. I mean, it's not like they're telling you a bad word. So it's just weird. I don't know. This world's becoming so weird. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, if they turn this purple, that would be like totally Haunted Mansion. Don't you think? If you're a Disney fan, turn it purple. Oh, pretty. We got grays. Oh, how pretty. There should be double sheets of these. No. I've seen people make such pretty cards out of all of this stuff. It's amazing. And then they show you what they have left. And it's like a butt ton. So I'm like, yes, that's awesome. So I love that. Oh, maybe they're all different. Maybe they're all different because it feels like I'm already halfway through. Wait, is that the same? Yeah, okay, so there's two. So there's two of each paper, which is cool. I like the papers. They were really pretty. So here's the stamp set. Holly jolly, love, peace, joy, happy holidays. All is calm and all is bright. Season's greetings, 'tis the season, Merry Christmas, and XOXO. How cute. I like that. Okay, let me, oh, so we get a vellum. How many sheets do we get? Let's look. I'm still going, guys. That's great. So, let's see. And they still had kits available. Wow, so that was so pretty. You see how glittery it is, too? Or shiny. Not glittery, but it's red foil. Very nice. We got cardstock that goes with it. So, here's a gold, a silver, a mint. These aren't textured either. A baby blue. This one's more of a, yeah, vanilla. It's nighttime, so my camera's having a harder time. Hold on. Okay, there it goes. White. I need to learn how to fix the adjustment. White. So 2 whites. Here's the green. Oh, so 2 different kind of greens. See that? That's awesome. Red. Same red. So 2 reds. A burgundy. A blue. A grayish. And a black. Pretty. Wow, you got a lot of cardstock. That was a lot of cardstock. That's crazy. And we're not done with the cardstock. So, let's see. What else we got? Let's see. So this is glittery paper. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That's a white glitter paper. It only rubs off a little bit. Just a teeny tiny amount. And a red. Ooh, look at that. That's shiny. So shiny. Okay, so that was, let's do the die cuts. Oh my gosh. So yeah, pretty happy so far. Let me put this one over it so we can see completely. And get a ton of this. So, let's see. Wow. Got trees. Got Santa. Santa's so cute. Mary. I'm just going to put them down and then hopefully you can see them here. I'll scooch it in a little. Okay. Cat. Presents. Stars. Joy. Presents. Oh, look at the reindeer. Snowflake. I live in California. We don't get snow. But I still like using them. I like using the snowmen and stuff because they're so cute. They're so cute. So I use everything. Well, except for the happy holidays. That one I don't. That one I become like turning my nose up at. Because I'm like, no, I don't like you. Look how cute this is. And I like the stand on the back. It's like so funny. You get tons of trees with the little stand. Wouldn't that be cute? Like a little squirrel on the bottom. Like an Alvin and the Chipmunks kind of thing. That'd be fun. Here's a bow. Naughty, naughty. Here comes Santa Claus. That's cute. Tree. Snowflake. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, it is. Hopefully this year I get to bake. Is anyone else baking this year? I didn't bake at all last year, I don't think, and I'm hoping this year too. Uh-oh. They're ripped. That happens. It's easily fixable. See? It's easy to fix. So I don't sweat the small stuff. I can fix that. Or, look at, all you have to do is hide it behind something. You know, super simple to fix. I don't sweat the small stuff. Stuff happens. And it's okay. It's paper. Okay, and then you got poinsettias. Everything's fixable, right? Oh, I like the sweaters. Snowflakes. What is this? Must be a kite. Is that a kite, you guys? Ornament. I like the, here he is, the snowman. Yeah, cute. The presents. We're still going. Brights. Blocks. This must be a kite. So pretty. Oh, I like that one. It's a star with a bow on it. Everything for bows. Be joyful. Wow. Okay, so that's all the die cuts. Oh my gosh, we're still going. So it's 13 minutes in. It's a pretty big kit. Wow. Okay, I'm liking it. Wow, there's a ton of this stuff too. Oh my goodness. So these are 4x6 cards. How pretty are those? Are they single? No, they're double-sided, so you pick and choose which one you want to decorate. How pretty is that? Oh, I've seen someone, I think it was Nicole Spore. She cut off sides, I think, and put 25 in the middle, and that was a super simple card. It's really cute. Very creative. Oh, look at, hey Santa, I've been good. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at this one. I love polar bears. So cute. Oh, all I want for Christmas is, oh, so you can put a picture of what you really want. What do I really want? Strawberry cheesecake from Junior's. That would be amazing. Get wrapping. See how fast that came out of my head? So, I don't know if I'm PMSing or, or how did that just pop out? I have no clue. Joy. Oh, so you could put like an old picture of your kids in the middle, or your puppies, and oh, that's so cute. Merry Christmas. Did I ever show you guys my Christmas card from a few years ago? I should do that one day. I'll show you my Christmas card. It was all the puppies back when Rocky and Mama were alive. Okay, so these are the dies. It's a Volkswagen Bug Beetle. Which one is it? Is it Bug Beetle? Is it the same? But this is what made me buy the kit, was this die, because my neighbor, she, same age as I, and she loves this car. That they bought an old one and fixed it up. So I want to make her something with this and send her a Christmas card with this whole, hers is a yellow one, so I think that'd be cute. But you get all the pieces and parts. You get a tree that you can put on the top. So there's presents that you can put on the top. So very, very cute. Okay, so that was $75. But like I said, they do have coupon codes, I think. I'm pretty frugal. I always look for coupon codes before I buy anything, or I just wait. So you never know, if they have extra kits, they might go on clearance and then you can use it for next year. I'm all about saving money however you can, and you know, if I had to pay $75 for it, I probably wouldn't have. I need my I need my discounts. So, and you know, it is what it is. So I would wait though, but I would buy this kit if it was on clearance. So I loved it. I love everything. Everything about it was awesome. So yeah, totally recommend. So alright guys, we'll see you all later. Hope you like the kit. I do. Alright guys, bye.